Then we raised you up after your death. Ye had the chance to be grateful. And we gave you the shade of clouds and sent down to you manna and quails, saying, Eat of the good things we have provided for you. But they rebelled. To us they did no harm, but they harmed their own souls. And remember we said, Enter this town and eat of the plenty therein as ye wish. But enter the gate with humility, in posture and in words. And we shall forgive you your faults, and increase the portion of those who do good. But the transgressors changed the word from that which had been given them. So we sent on the transgressors a plague from heaven. For that they infringed our command repeatedly. And remember Moses prayed for water for his people. We said, Strike the rock with thy staff. Then gushed forth therefrom 12 springs. Each group knew its own place for water. So eat and drink of the sustenance provided by Allah, and do no evil nor mischief on the face of the earth. And remember ye said, O Moses, we cannot endure one kind of food always. So beseech thy Lord for us to produce for us of what the earth groweth, its potherbs and cucumbers, its garlic, lentils, and onions. He said, Will ye exchange the better for the worse? Go ye down to any town, and ye shall find what they want. They were covered with humiliation and misery. They drew on themselves the wrath of Allah, this because they went on rejecting the signs of Allah and slain His messengers without just cause. This because they rebelled and went on transgressing. Those who believe in the Quran, and those who follow the Jewish scriptures, and the Christians and the Sabians, any who believe in Allah and the last day, and work righteousness, shall have their reward with their Lord. On them shall be no fear, nor shall they grieve. And remember we took your covenant and we raised above you the towering height of Mount Sinai, saying, Hold firmly to what we have given you, and bring ever to remembrance what is therein. Perchance they may fear Allah, but ye turned back thereafter. Had it not been for the grace and mercy of Allah to you, there had surely been among the lost. And while ye knew those amongst you who transgressed in the matter of the Kopili, Sabbath, we said to them, Be the apes, despised and rejected. So we made it an example to their own time and to their posterity, and a lesson to those who fear Allah. And remember Moses said to his people, Allah commands that ye sacrifice a heifer. They said, Makest thou a laughingstock of us? He said, Allah, save me from being an ignorant fool. They said, Beseech on our behalf thy Lord to make plain to us what heifer it is. He says, The heifer should be neither too old nor too young, but of middling age. Now do what ye are commanded. They said, Beseech on our behalf thy Lord to make plain to us her color. He says, A fawn-colored heifer, pure and rich in tone, the admiration of beholders. They said, Beseech on our behalf thy Lord to make plain to us what she is. To us are all heifers alike. We wish indeed for guidance, if Allah wills. He says, A heifer not trained to till the soil or water the fields, sound and without blemish. They said, "Now hast thou brought the truth." Then they offered her in sacrifice, but not with good will.